Today's video is going to present you with a new revolution of AI tools. Brace yourself for a mind-blowing journey as we uncover the latest breakthrough in artificial intelligence. Mix Audio is an AI wizard that turns your imagination into music. It creates stunning music by interpreting your ideas through text, images, and even audio information. This multimodal approach to music generation is a world first. Open Google Chrome and type in the website mix.audio. You can find the link in the video description. After opening the website, click on the Login button and sign up using your Gmail account. After logging in, you will see lots of publicly generated music on the homepage, but we will create our own so we can use it for our social media sites. To do that, click on AI BGM. Here we have three options to generate music. The first is using a prompt, the second is from an image to music, and the third is from an audio source file to music. Let's try using text to music. By clicking on Prompt Genius, it will automatically generate a random prompt for you. You can either type your own prompt or choose the concept to create music, including theme, genre, mood, and duration. Select these options if you want to generate music according to your needs. After choosing the options, click on the Generate button. This tool is very fast. It will provide you with 4 music files. Let's listen to our first creation. Awesome! This tool is very good for creating background music for YouTube videos. Simply click on the Download button to download it, or if you don't like it, click on the Regenerate button. Now let's test the second most advanced feature, which you may be seeing for the first time. Image to music. Simply upload the image that you want to convert into music. Yeah, that's a cool feature of this tool. After uploading the image, click on the Generate button. You can see the image prompt that this tool is using to convert into music. Very awesome. Now, upload or copy any song URL, paste it into the third option, and click on the Generate button. Let's listen to how it generates music from the source audio music file. Not bad. Now, let's test the AI Remix feature. First, select any artist. Mix.audio provides many artists to remix your music. After that, you can use any option. Text to music, image to music, or audio to music. Let's try this.
새벽 두세 몸에 베인 듯한 봄베이 풀냄새는 ain't good 페이스 붉어진대도 체면을 치마 근데 취하긴 해야지 하나씩 늘어나는 타이핑 미스테이크 어떤 이가 시켜서 과일 안주 민폐 난 사과 알러지 때문에 너 혼자 다 먹어도 돼 but
Explore the diverse features of Mix.audio, from generating music using prompts, images, and audio files, to remixing tracks with your favorite artists. With its user-friendly interface and fast processing, you might have questions about monetizing videos with this music. Yes, you can monetize your videos. For more information, check their About FAQ section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.